Hello kids! Wow, we have a wonderful fishing alphabets and number. Where gone all of my alphabet letters and number? Can you help me to find the missing letters and number? So let's begin. Hey kids, can you help me to find our first puzzle piece? No, it's not letter A. Yes, we got it. Letter A. A is for yummy yummy apple. Letter A comes here. Can you help me to find the letter B? Where it is B? B is there. B is for ball. Can you speak with me? Ball. Very good. Where we should place? Just after letter A. Do you know what is the next letter come here? That's right. It's a letter C. We got it. Letter C. This is yellow color fishing letter C. C is for cat. Can you do that like a cat? Great! After C, next will come letter D. Where it is? Can you tell me the color of this letter? It's a blue color. Letter D. D is for dog. Let's place the letter D here. Hey kids, can you point out for me letter E? Where it is? It's there. Do you remember the color? Just I told you before. That's right, it's a blue color, letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant has long trunk. Where we should place? Just after letter D. What come after E? That's right, it's a letter F. This is letter F. F is for fish and our letter shape is also similar to fish. So we place the letter F there. Let's find the letter G. Where it is G? It's there. This is the letter G. G is for goat. And we place the letter G right there. The next come letter H. Can you help me to pointing letter H? Hey, we got it. Letter H. Letter H. H is for house. Can you speak with me? House. Great. Where we should place? Just after letter G. What is the next will come? Letter I. Can you help me? Where it is letter I? Oh, it's there. This is letter I. I is for ink. Speak with me. Ink. Great job. Do you know what is the next letter will come? J. That's right, my dear. Next will come letter J. Where it is? It's there. This is the letter J. J is for juice. It's so yummy. Let's put it letter J right there. After J, what is the next letter will come? This one? It's a letter X. It's not come. We need the letter K. K is there. This is the letter K. K is for kite. Let's place letter K right there. Do you know what is the next letter will come? That's right, it's the letter L. Now we have letter L. L is for your favorite animal, lion. Well done, my kids. After L, we need letter M. This one? No, it's a W. We need M. We got it. This is the letter M. Can you tell me the name of the fruit that starts with letter M? I give you one clue. The color of this fruit is yellow. That's right, it's a mango. Mango is very yummy fruit. The next we need letter N. Where it is letter N? Yes, it's there. This is the letter N. N is for nose. Let's put it back on this puzzle board. Which letter come after N? O. This one? No, it's a Q. We need O. Looks like a circle. Hey, it's there. Now, in my hand letter O. O is for owl. Let's place the letter O just after letter N. Now we are searching for letter P. Can you speak with me, P? Great job! This is red color beautiful letter P. P is for peacock. Let's place the letter P here. After P, next will come letter Q. Q is right there. This is beautiful letter Q. Q is for queen. Let's place the letter Q here. Do you know, kids, what is the next will come? That's right, it's a letter R. This is letter R. R is for rabbit. Can you speak with me? Rabbit. Great. Can you help me to pointing the letter S? Where it is letter S? We've got it. This is the letter S. S is for sun. Sun gives us light. Let's place the letter S right there. Do you know, kids, what is the next letter will come? T. That's right. Thanks for helping me. Now we have letter T. T is for tree. Tree gives us oxygen for breath, fruits, vegetables, and many more things. After T, we need letter U. Hey U, where are you? I am here. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Speak with me. Umbrella. It's little bit difficult to speak. Let's place it here. After U, we need letter V. Where it is V? It's hide underneath the number 7. This is letter V. V is for van. We are going to school sitting in the van. Which letter come after V? That's right, it's a letter W. Now in my hand letter W. W is for whale. Let's put it the letter W in this puzzle board. Now we are searching for letter X. X looks similar to cross sign. We got it. This is the letter X. X is for X-ray. Where we should place letter X? Just after W. Now we need letter Y. Y is there. This is last one letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo is a fun toy. Now only one letter is left. This is letter Z. Z is for zebra. Can you speak with me? Zebra. Great job. Now we start to find number. Where it is number 1? Number 1 is there. Number 1. After 1, next will come 2. This is blue color number 2. Do you know what is the next will come after 2? That's right, number 3. This is number 3 and color is Z. Let's put it our fishing number 3 right there. After 3, we need number 4. 4 is here. Speak with me. 4. Great. We place number 4 here. After 4, we are looking for number 5. Can you speak with me? 5. 5. Great. We place the number 5 right there. I hope you know what is the next will come. That's right, it's a number 6. Now we have a beautiful number 6. Let's place in our puzzle board. Next we need fishing number 7. This is green color number 7. We place it right there. After 7, what is the next will come? That's right, it's a number 8. Can you say with me? 8? 8. Great. Well done, kids. Now we have left only 2 numbers. Which number we need first? Number 9. This is blue color fishing number 9. We place in our puzzle board. This is our last number but not least, number 10. This is our last number 10. 1, 0, 10. We put it all our fishing numbers and letter in this puzzle board. Bye bye everyone. I will see you next time. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Take care.